I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now for this one I wanted to do it a little bit differently. Alright, this video and what is in this box is my most worn shoe of 2019. Alright, now I know you're gonna ask, Rob, if it's in the box, if it's brand new, how is it your most worn shoe of 2019? I'll explain. So this is the Adidas Alpha Boost. Alright? This shoe has been my most worn shoe of the year. I did a review on this when I received it earlier in the year, and I have worn this shoe more than any other shoe in my collection, any other shoe that I got this year. Alright, now you can see the bottoms white with that orange, you know what I mean, Continental on there. Alright, definitely worn. You can see that they've definitely been beat up a little bit. You can see a little bit scuffs on the back there. Show you the left one. Boom. All the way around, right? So this is my most worn shoe of the year. Okay? So that leads me to this box. Let me put these down. That leads me to this box. Adidas was having a winter sale, a clearance sale, some kind of sale. And for a while, Adidas was not shipping to my location here. And when I saw the sale, I kept seeing this shoe. I kept seeing this colorway of the shoe. And I said, dang, I kind of want it. And they would have it on sale from time to time. And I said, dang, I kind of want that shoe. But I don't want to pay the full price for it at this point. But they had a sale. And they dropped it to $50. $50. So I said, you know what? At that price, I got to go for it. So luckily I went for it. I entered the discount code, I put everything in, and it actually shipped to my location. So I had to go ahead and get it at that point. Struggling, as you can see, trying to get the shoe out the box. A little struggle action. Alright, now we got it. No receipt for the receipt boys. Adidas never does. Let's get that box out of here. Alright, now, as you can see, boom, Adidas box. Boom. You got your Boost box all around. Boost box. Boom. Alright. What we got on the bottom, the sizing and everything. Alright. So these are the Adidas Alpha Boost. Alright. Size 13 for these. And the colorway, even though it's not on here, the colorway is just that all black. All black. Alright. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these. It's a little different. It's a little different because normally I'm standing up. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Rob TV. Pretty clean. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Adidas Alpha Boost. Alright? And that jet black colorway. All black. Black on black shoe. Alright? What I love the most and why I really wanted these, look at that boost. All black boost all around. You have your orange hits of that Continental on the bottom, but all black all around the entire shoe. Now, for comparison's sake, I know some people said that they didn't like, in my previous review, that they didn't like the gold that goes around the back here of this blue and white shoe. Some people said that they didn't like that the gold was a little bit too flashy on this one. Even here on the tongue, there's the gold. And they didn't like that the gold broke up the blue and white. I get it, all right? On this one, it's all black. It's a shiny black here on the back, but it's black nonetheless, all black. And there on the tongue, all black. You got a little bit of a reflective strip on the back here, kind of a darker gray, but it just blends right in. It blends right in with the normal black. You know what I mean? This is your tag here, your size tag and everything. We're not gonna worry about that. On the inside, let me take the shoe tree up out of here. Boom. There's a sticker. It says TPU plate. The color treatment will begin to change and wear off over time with use. Okay. On the inside here, you have your, if you can see that, let me open that up a little bit. Orange insole with your white boost leathering on the inside there. Very nice, very dope shoe. I have been wearing this shoe so much all around this year for riding my bike, you know, running, exercising, walking around, for everything. Just running to the store. I've worn this shoe so much this year that I said to myself, for $50, I couldn't go wrong with a all black version of these, because for one, it's hard to damage an all black version, and then two, I hardly ever get to buy a shoe, especially a shoe that I really like, for $50. That never happens for me. Like, I always have to spend the full price for a shoe that I really like, and I said for $50, especially one that I know for a fact that I'm gonna wear a lot, $50, I'll take that chance, man. So these are definitely dope, but you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here we are on feet. Get a little closer for you. Boom. Alright, very dope shoe. Very dope shoe, alright? Now, size test. Let me say this. Never did I ever unlace this shoe. Look at the lacing. I never unlaced it really. I just slid my foot right in, and I've always kind of worn the blue ones like this. And recently I've actually began to think that maybe I could have gotten away with a 12.5 because they felt roomy. However, I realize now that once you wear the shoe, it expands a little bit. Once you wear them in, then once you break them in, I should say, they get a little bit more wider. They get a little roomier. So I have a lot of room in the toe box area on the blue and white shoe. But these right here, these are snug. These are good and snug. Size 13, they fit perfectly. Absolutely perfect. My big toe is right here. Right here. Doesn't feel too tight. Where my pinky toe is down here. All my other toes have a lot of room. Not a lot of room, but good amount of room. I'm good to go. I'm good to go on these. This is how I like these to fit. And man, that just makes me realize that I've really worn that blue and white pair in, because there's a lot of room in those now. They are not snug at all. Man. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Yo, I've already reviewed it once this year. Coming back with the black model. These are definitely a go. No doubt about it. I highly recommend the Adidas Alpha Boost for working out, for walking around, for anything, for all day comfort. Yo, easily one of the easiest shoes that I can recommend that I have in my collection. So nice that I bought it twice, in fact. So definitely wanted this black pair, you know. I bought my father for Father's Day the original colorway. It was black and white, and I think it was the Parley version, the black and white one. So I've actually bought this shoe 3 times now, so that's how much I like this shoe. And you know, I sent my pops the other one, so very dope. I highly recommend it. I think Adidas is having a sale right now, so if you can get it for $50, I think it comes out to be $51 or $54 or something like that. Maybe. I got mine for $50, so look into that. And if you can get it at that price, do not hesitate. Go ahead and get it for sure, man. Highly recommend these. But that's gonna do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, man. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.